All right, thank you. It is March 7th, 2026.
I don't think they can see you, Randy.
Our panel is back, and we are listening to
A song.
Ozzy Osbourne's solo career. However, Sharon, Blizzard of Ozz Band, because that's what it really is.
Was it on Blizzard of Ozz album?
No, but Diary of a Madman's the same band. You don't get daddy started. You know I'll get mad. So okay.
Not talk a lot.
Right, we're not talking a lot. So, okay, this comes out in 81, so it's pretty much the same time as Heaven and Hell. So, like we were saying, Christian was saying too, you have Black Sabbath that has this resurgence with Ronnie James Dio, and then you have this Blizzard of Ozz Band / Ozzy solo. This is a song called Tonight off the Diary of a Madman album. This one was a single in Europe, I believe, but not in the United States. So I don't know if we consider it a deep track, but here we go. All right, Christian.
I was gonna give it a 2.
No! I knew it!
I was gonna give it a 2, but I gave it a 3 because the most interesting part about the song was the second guitar solo at the
Randy
end.
Rhoads. That's right. That's right.
I just thought I thought the song kind of just sounded kind of boring. Ozzy sounded sad, and it was like he wasn't really doing anything super Ozzy talented worthy. So I was
Oh,
like,
okay.
I was just like, eh. I was like, but then the second guitar solo, I was like, yeah, this is pretty good.
Yeah, Randy usually blows everyone away.
Yeah.
I know I do.
Gracie.
I said, so before I give my score, I was in between a 3 and a 4. I said, I really wish I could have heard the lyrics a little bit more.
Okay.
I do like the vibe of the song.
Okay.
I liked the guitar a lot, so that pushed me towards a 4. And I wrote the note of, I'm smelling chocolate chips.
Oh,
Cookies.
it's the brownies.
Something I was smelling, so.
Brownies.
And increase the odds.
So did that push you to a 4?
Yeah.
The chocolate chips?
That's so funny because they both had us with the same thing.
I was like,
Randy Rhoads and chocolate chips.
I don't know if it was chocolate chip cookies, if
It's
it
a
was brownies or what. I was smelling
We
something.
made, I made brownies.
And I'm like, is this the song?
Yes.
Or...
Something about this.
Jesus is bringing the chocolate chips through us.
Something, I'm like, this is tasty
Randy
good.
Rhoads.
Oh my, oh that is awesome. Isaac.
I gave it a 3. I think the same thing Christian said. The second guitar solo saved it for sure.
Okay, Jenna.
I gave it a 4.
Okay,
I liked it a lot better than the last Ozzy one for sure.
okay.
I thought it was too loud, so I think it could have really been pushing a 5 for me if you
Oh.
could hear the vocals a little bit more.
Okay.
Yeah, to me it was comparative to whatever the one, it was a Heaven and Hell.
Yes.
Yeah, it was very
With
on
you
par.
now I
But
don't
that
know
wasn't different.
with Dio.
Right, but the whole comparative where Christian was saying that it could have been compared, or like if you had Ozzy with that era.
Oh
you know,
yes. Gotcha. Very good.
I could see that, yeah.
Okay, Megan.
3, it was good, not great.
Madison.
Marriage.
Yeah, Randy.
Fuck!
That's right.
I give it a 4.
It's a 5. This is my favorite Blizzard of Ozz Band song tonight. Yes, this song. Oh my God, this song. Oh my God. I love this song. Oh wait, are the chocolate chips ready?
It's brownie!
Whatever. All right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we will see ya.
My brownie!